There will be two arrays of integers. Determine all integers that satisfy the following two conditions. Number 1. The elements of the first array are all factors of the integer being considered. Number 2. The integer being considered is a factor of all elements of the second array. These numbers are referred to as being between the two arrays. Determine how many such numbers exist. Example: A 26, B 24, 36. There are two numbers between the arrays 6 and 12. So 0 is the first value and 0 is for the second value, return 2. So these are the two examples. Function description. Complete the getTotalX function in the editor below. It should return the number of integers that are between the sets. getTotalX has the following parameters: int a, an array of integers; int b, an array of integers. Returns: int, the number of integers that are between the sets. Int format, or input format, sorry. The first line contains two space-separated integers, n and m, the number of elements in arrays a and b. The second line contains n distinct space-separated integers, a, where 0 is less than or equal to I, which is less than n. The third line contains m distinct space-separated integers, b, where 0 is less than or equal to j, which is less than m. Constraints: 1 less than or equal to n, and m is less than or equal to 10. 1 is less than or equal to a, which is less than or equal to 100. 1 is less than or equal to b, which is less than or equal to 100. Sample input: 2, 3, 2, 4, 16, 32, 96. Sample output is 3. Explanation: 2 and 4 divide evenly into 4, 8, 12, and 16. 4, 8, and 16 divide evenly into 16, 32, and 96. 4, 8, and 16 are the only three numbers for which each element of A is a factor and each is a factor of all elements of B. Right, I'm using JavaScript for this problem, and let's do it. The getTotalX function takes two arrays, A and B, as input. It initializes the account variable to 0. It then iterates through the numbers from the largest element of array A to the smallest element of array B. For each number, it checks if it is divisible by every element in array A using the every method. It also checks if every element in array B is divisible by the number. If both conditions are satisfied, it increments the count variable. The function then returns the count or total number of items that meet the criteria as its final output.